Politiko wife and celebrity Heart Evangelista has been staying in the province of Sorsogon for over a month. If you think she's there to do girly stuffs, like dancing in the park, painting walls, shopping for native products, and launching Sorsogon's 1-pound 1-product hub, look closer. She goes on a date with Sorsogon Governor Chiz Escudero in a shooting range. She's not all kikay because this is her tough side.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.